Hello, wonderful people. Today I wanted to show you my crazy hairdo day, and I wanted to take you through Udimi. Udimi is a solo ads platform. I don't know what a solo ad platform is or how it works. It's basically people who have massive lists and and then you've got yourself who has a product to sell. All right, you could go and send these people an email, give them a link to your product. They'll send their product to their email list and get you how many ever clicks you've ordered. So you could take some of their list and put it to your list as long as you've got a squeeze page. All right, and hopefully you can get sales from it. So let me show you how this works. So let's go on to find a seller. So you've got three categories here: find seller, solo deals, affiliate, forum, and help. Pretty much these are the two you want, unless you want to be an affiliate with them. You could press there as an affiliate and become an affiliate. There again, down the side, you've got my solos, your solos, messages, text, money, list checks. So let's go through them all. This is your home. You get a couple of wee videos you could watch on showing you how it works. I'd advise you to watch them because it's always good practice to have a look what the actual forum has to say. My solo ads. So you could see here on my solo ads all the clicks I've ordered and what you received. So as you can see there, that was 111% delivery, 120% delivery. So they give me, I ordered 125 clicks, they give me 250. Ordered 200, they give me 240. Ordered 150, they give me 165. They're always pretty good at over delivering whatever your order is, whatever you've put in. And so you could obviously message them as well. I always advise to message them first before you put an order in. What I would do is whatever you're trying to promote, send them a link to what you're trying to promote. Ask them if they've promoted your product already. If they've tried to promote it recently. If they have done it recently, probably I wouldn't go with that seller unless his list has been updated in between the last order of the product you're trying to sell. Most of these people have very active lists and grow the lists every single day, have new subscribers. All right. Also, like I say, I'd probably ask them when's the last time the product was promoted. If they've promoted the product you're trying to sell, especially if you've got your product from GVZoo or ClickBank. I would also ask them how big's the list and when's the last time it's been updated, and that's it really. That's the two questions I would mainly ask them to make sure they've got a good list, that their list has been updated all the time, and to make sure you're not going to try to promote something which has just been promoted the same day or a couple of days before that. All right. So back to find a seller. All right. So what you need to pay attention. All right. Obviously, read what they've got to offer. All right. This guy says 600 plus clients with sales, 70,000 subscribers, buyers included, 90% tier 1 guaranteed, 10% to 20% over delivery. Now, this is all goods, all right? You want at least 90% tier 1. Most of them will say they have 90% tier 1. This guy underneath says he's got 100% tier 1, even better, all right? And most of them always do 10 to 20% over delivery. Now, if you look here on the right-hand side where you see the 51C, that's how much he is charging you per visitor. All right, and this is how many good reviews he's received and how many bad reviews he's received. Here you could see as a percentage of how many people have reported to have received sales. Now, that's not always extremely accurate because some of these guys asked people not to give them a review until they've given it a couple of days to go through their autoresponder, through their mailing sequence until they get sales, and then obviously report that back. So not all these sales here would have been reported at the front end of your funnel. So obviously, because we're going along with him, so this is one you need to pay attention to. So he's got 49% of people reporting sales in the front end funnel. He's got 29%. All right, he's got obviously 1,808 people who have obviously already bought from, who have been leaving good comments. Got five negative, which to be honest, I don't think it's anything to worry about massively. And obviously now that I've clicked on him, let's just go with him. Shows you here, all right, obviously what I've just said, 90% top tier, and 300 to 500 plus new fresh subscribers added daily. Now that's pretty good. 100% MMO, IM, MLM, BizOp targeted clicks. So basically his audience is going to work very well with all the MLM, BizOp, anything with making money online opportunities. You've got free professional ad copy and free funnel review. So if you're not too sure, you're just starting, you've got a funnel, you could send it to him and say, how do you think my funnel is going to do with your audience? And he'll tell you straight up, and it'll be free of charge. So if you scroll down here, there is the number of visitors you want to choose. So if you want 1,000 visitors here, tell you here you've selected 1,000 visitors, and then you scroll down, I'll tell you how much here, $513 for 1,000 visitors to your link. Then you upload your message. Again, some of them, if you're not too sure, if you don't have an email to upload, you don't know what to write, you could just email them first and ask them, say, this is the offer, what I've got, and they might even write the email for you, all right, which is a good way of doing it. Again, what I like about Udimi is the fact that you've got all these reviews because they're a third-party platform, all right? You could really siphon through and pick the best one, and it will save you getting conned. So many solo ads out there which will give you rubbish clicks and who will con you, all right? Now, you need to make sure that any solo ad you're going to go through, all right, again, because it's a third party, they'll tell you how many clicks has been sent. If you pick somebody else, all right, which is not through Udemy or through a third party, they could say they're sending you so many clicks, all right, and you need to make sure that you send them a tracking link, all right, so you could track the clicks and not just go from what he says he sent you, all right? You might say, yep, I've sent you, for example, you've ordered 200 clicks, you might turn around and say, yeah, I've sent you 250 clicks, and in fact, you'll be, oh, I've received no sales, no nothing, and there'll be no clicks at all what he sent. So you're just taking his word for it. Now, there's ways around it. When you have a link, all right, what I use ClickMagick, all right. So you could go to ClickMagick here, all right. You could actually create a link with ClickMagick, and it'll track how many visitors you have been sent. So for example, there I've got a Bing PPC ad running, all right, and I know I've received 116 unique clicks at 14% conversion. All right, always track your links. All right, so I'll put you a link for ClickMagick if you want to use ClickMagick. Great piece of software for tracking your links, cheap to use and very professional, and they're adding new features on every single day. Okay, so back to Udemy. So again, as I said, you could upload your email there, and here you could put basic filter, primary filter. Again, I'll just move my screen here. All right, if you hover over it, I'll explain to you what every single one of them is. So Prime Filter, use Prime Filter on a solo ad. Each click will go another round of advanced clearance with filter that's available for Prime members only. Expect quality increase by 34%. So basically, this is going to help you improve the quality of your traffic. Make sure the traffic you're getting is good traffic, and they come from obviously top tier, which top tier is the top 5, which will be America, UK, New Zealand, Australia, and Canada. All right. Only top tier. Obviously, you could click that if you just want top tier. It's an extra 10 cents per visitor. Only mobile if you want to, or no mobile if you want to. So if you want your ad, if your ad or your funnel is not prepared for mobile use, all right, you'll click that you don't want mobile. Again, you'll pay an extra 0.10 per click. All right, so I would make sure that your funnel is good to go for mobile use. All right. So as you scroll down, it'll show you where most of his traffic comes from. And you could come down and read the reviews, which is amazing because the reviews, because it's a third-party platform, they cannot be changed, and you could read what everybody's saying. They're honest comments, all right? Most of them are like saying good ads, no sales, got sales, no sales, good solo. Obviously, he's doing pretty well for himself, and you could actually go a step even further if you wish to do so. And what I like to do, and just find this guy on Facebook. So you could go to Facebook and let's have a look. Paste and let's have a look. So there he is, Mario Blazes. Let's have a look at see what he's got. Again, now you could see that this guy this is his business. He's using this as a proper business. So you know for a fact that this guy would be pretty trustworthy on what he has to offer. Again, you could go through it, read through it, have a look. You might have even cheaper deals on here, and even go even further. Google him, find out if he's got a web page. All right, and have a look at that. So that is pretty much how this works. Again, very good because you could get cheap clicks, you could get people over to your mailing list and in front for. You've got to realize that if you're buying traffic for someone, it's never going to be as good as organic traffic. Right, most of these people, these lists, what these people have, again, hammered on a daily basis. They're getting probably hundreds of offers sent to them every single day, so they're going to be a lot less responsive. The chances are, whatever you're trying to promote, they've probably seen it once or a couple of times. Again, it's very important that whatever you're going to promote is not to use their advertising, their emails, because if you're using the same emails what 100 other people are using, the chances you're getting clicks are going to be reduced. So if I'm promoting something, I don't use their emails. I create my own emails. I create my own ads. I create my own funnels just to have a complete different wrapper, and you'll see that your conversions will go up dramatically. So this is it. Again, if you want to buy solo ads, I recommend to go from Udimi. I'll put a link below where you'll get a $5 voucher for your first solo ad. So make sure to go through it if you want some free clicks. And hopefully you get to test your offers out there and you get good results. So if you liked this video, make sure to smash the bell so you don't miss any more videos, and please subscribe to my channel and at least give me a thumbs up, or if you didn't like it, give me a thumbs down. So that's it for me, and I shall see you in the next video. Goodbye. Bye.